Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today I'm going to talk to you about this project on a commercial site we did. As you see here in this first picture, it's just a blank slate. They already have the outlets up there, and we get to figure out what the client wants and how they want it mounted. So after talking to them, we came up with the idea that they wanted them both side by side, perfectly level with each other. So as we do that, we are going to show you, we took off the panels, the blue ones, so we could access the plate that was behind those that run up to the TV, so we could run our HDMIs. Now, with running our HDMIs, we ran two of them, so they could play the same thing on both TVs or one other source, another computer, and another computer separately. And we did a 1x2 Exantec switcher, as you'll see here coming up. I was trying to drill out the hole in this plate and cut my finger, but I'm alright. Didn't slow me down. Kept working all day. And right now, you know, we are dealing with COVID, so I did have my mask on all day while we were working. As you see, we got both the TVs finally up there and the blue panel's back on, both TVs fully leveled. I put some pictures on there, and that is actually LG's picture mode. Like it's in standby, kind of like the Samsung frame TVs have. And then in this picture you'll see that we have our Exantec switcher zip tied up real nice and neatly. The power is right underneath the blue thing, so there's not much we could do to hide the wire anymore. So as we get into this room, you know, it's a conference room, and we're gonna do two TVs in here. They want from the table to be able to plug in something, so what we're going to do is we're going to use a HDMI Cat5 extender. That way that anything that they want to use from that table, they can plug in and it'll show up on that TV there. With that being said, we did have to tone out the wire, hence the red case on the table. Now once we toned out the wire, figured out which ones they were, we was able to put our Cat5 extender baling in there, plug it in, and plug it into our outlet in the tabletop piece there, and mount our TV. And then once we mounted our TV, we turned it to the frame picture mode, as you see there. And this is the other TV in the conference room. It's the same LG, but it's a little bit smaller. If you see in this picture here, we have our Snap AV bracket, and the reason why we like these brackets is they're usually pretty long, so you have play to slide the TV back and forth. All the screws come with it for most TVs. Usually has some good size spacers if you need to use spacers for anything, and self-leveling adjustments at the top. That's number one thing I like about it. Is, let's say you're not quite perfect on mounting your bracket, or something, you know, jerks it off as you tighten one down. It happens from time to time. Try to be exact as possible, but it happens. But that mount allows you to adjust, which is really nice. So as you see there, we got the TV up there, making sure it's level using those self-adjustment at the top. And there's that frame mode again. And they also, while we were there, said, hey, you want to do something else for us? We need a couple boxes mounted. So this is on a brick wall, drilled out some lag holes so I could mount that for them. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great choice day.